Fundamental rights in India. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights guaranteed by the Indian Constitution. They are enshrined in Part 3, Articles 12 to 35, and ensure individual freedom, dignity, and equality in a democratic society. Key features of fundamental rights. 1. Universal, applicable to all Indian citizens, and in some cases, non-citizens. 2. Justiciable, can be enforced through courts if violated. 3. Not absolute, subject to reasonable restrictions. 4. Cannot be taken away arbitrarily, only amended through constitutional procedures. 5. Suspension during emergency. Some rights may be suspended under Article 359 during a national emergency. 1. Right to equality, Articles 14 to 18. Article 14, Equality before law and equal protection of laws. Article 15, Prohibition of discrimination based on religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 16, Equality of opportunity in public employment. Article 17, Abolition of untouchability. Article 18, Abolition of titles except military and academic distinctions. Article 19, Freedom of speech, expression, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession. Article 20, Protection against conviction for offences, no retrospective punishment, no double jeopardy, no self-incrimination. Article 21, Protection of life and personal liberty, interpreted broadly by the Supreme Court. Article 21A, Right to education, free and compulsory for children aged 6 to 14 years. Article 22, Protection from arbitrary arrest and detention. 3. Right against exploitation, Articles 23 to 24. Article 23, Prohibition of human trafficking and forced labor. Article 24, Prohibition of child labor in hazardous industries. 4. Right to freedom of religion, Articles 25 to 28. Article 25, Freedom of conscience and the right to freely practice, profess, and propagate religion. Article 26, Freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27, No taxation for promoting any religion. Article 28, Freedom from religious instruction in state-run institutions. 5. Cultural and educational rights, Articles 29 to 30. Article 29, Protection of language, script, and culture of minorities. Article 30, Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. 6. Right to constitutional remedies, Article 1932. Allows individuals to approach the Supreme Court or High Courts for enforcement of fundamental rights through writs. Habeas corpus, to release a person from unlawful detention. Mandamus, to direct public officials to perform their duties. Prohibition, to stop lower courts from exceeding their jurisdiction. Certiorari, to transfer a case to a higher authority for review. Quo warranto, to challenge the authority of a public office holder. Significance of fundamental rights. Protects individual liberties, ensures personal freedoms and dignity. Promotes social justice, eliminates discrimination and inequality. Maintains democratic values, strengthens the foundation of democracy. Ensures judicial protection, provides legal remedies in case of violations. Conclusion. Fundamental rights form the backbone of the Indian Constitution, ensuring equality, freedom, and protection against exploitation. However, they are subject to reasonable restrictions for maintaining law and order, national security, and public morality. Thanks for watching. Visit notesjobs.in.